In general work, they have small computers. I have laptops. You have laptops. They have the small computers. This is the Egyptian robot. What is robot? She is going. So robot also can understand something is not, they have to come back. I mean, like a light source like that. Okay, so you will sit and you can browse your internet with a very high speed, tremendous high speed. But the drawbacks is that wherever the light is available, there only you can access. If you go to a dark space or between some obstacles there, you cannot use it. Here we are giving only example to you. Please switch off the light of this light. This is a light. Signals connected to the mobile phone through it. There is no physical connection. Here we have the solar panel. What do you have? Solar panel. You only receive the lights, and here you have some basic circuits. So sound is transmitting from here. See, as I am bringing near to it, sound is increasing because intensity increases. But if I put obstacle,
wow.
okay, that means communication. The signal is passing through the light. Like that, many small experiments you can do. While studying, just see what the components are there.
Open this, open. एक किट यहाँ पे.
As I told, to make a system, we need three components: head, sensors, and actuators. Technical time: head, hand, and okay, head and hand. So,
Students will assist. हाँ, संतोष, assistance. Go slowly, take your time.
Yes, for sure.
It's below this rate, I know. But mine is
1, 2,
संतोष ये भी करके लाना क्योंकि और किसका है इसका है See, you might have seen that there are two boards are there, bigger board and smaller board. That bigger board is break. Yes or no? See, if I have to lift a very high weight, high mass things, what do you use? You use a lever. Yes or no? Use a lever. So that small board is like a lever. It will pull up the current. It will rotate in a left direction. So one motor clockwise, another is a and this direction, this is clockwise, this is any doubt till now? So for rotating, what should I do? I copy it. So by this what I mean? First motor rotates clockwise. Then what I have to do? I have to move the second one anti-clockwise. Yes, understood? So by that now what is happening? संतोष सर पवन सर को बोलो पावर लगाओ ऊपर पावर यहाँ पर लगाओ
संतोष पवन यहाँ लास्ट स्टेज में go here power by okay so the next robot is also ready Dr. Graham Soames so it's a historic day for you all
Yes, sir.
yes the most beautiful thing is you made it
Yes, sir.
nothing like that yeah I'm also from Homes don't worry come on the Homos So it's complete, yeah? Okay. Okay.
The side's completed.
Very good, very good, very good. Now the next step will be you'll add infrared like this. And it becomes even more intelligent.
अच्छा पवन
The second, see, the obstacle one is also ready. See, it doesn't hit the wall, it comes back. Look at this. Look at this. Collision averted.
But see, if I put a black color black color may not reflect. See, it is hitting. Because light is not reflecting back now from here.
Black absorbs the light. See?
Up to hum.
It's black there. Yeah. See? It's perfect.